We organized this event today because we see that lots of clients are struggling with the topic of AI and software development, and we wanted to help them explain what we've been doing in the past months and also how we see the future of AI and software development.
We have to accelerate the adoption of AI. AI is used everywhere, but it's very important to use it controlled and in an environment we can trust.
Learning, sharing, having fun together, and we're here to get inspiration about how to build the best possible software tomorrow.
And it's good from time to time to have a look at how other teams are dealing with their problems, if they have the same problems and if they have similar solutions.
After what I've heard today is that I'm even more convinced that we should keep humans in the loop when we are coding with AI.
There's a lot to experiment with AI and a lot to learn, and then we can move forward with it.
It's important to not only focus on producing more software, but also producing software with the right quality. So not only about producing software faster, but about producing better software faster.